Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Welcome to my gym. And today I want to show you this super fantastic because it's really cool and fun to use music boxing machine that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it already without doing the installation, which we're going to do today. Super easy. It is really easy to install. It comes with two different modes of installation. The one that we're going to use today is putting the adhesive stripes over here, which has a really nice glue. I want to say like a strong glue. So we're going to put it up right here, and then we're going to test it out with you guys on the video. Couple things about this one. There's some things that you need to know. Like, for example, I can't show you any music in this video today because it can get muted. I mean, some things that I don't want it to, I don't want that to happen. So some things you gotta know in advance. I can't show any music because the video can get muted. The platform doesn't like the music too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually record my own voice saying things like punch, right, left, punch, or something like that. And I'm gonna connect it to the device via Bluetooth because you can actually connect it on Bluetooth and put in your own music, favorite music, using the music that is in the actual device, or as I'm gonna do, just recording my own voice and training with that. By the way, it also comes with two MMA gloves, kind of like the 3/4 gloves, not the entire boxing gloves, but the 3/4 ones. So that's going to be really fun for us to use for the video today. And also you will have the entire instruction manuals over here, which is going to be super easy for you to follow, and just making sure that you also have a way of contacting them. And last but not least, it also comes with a bag, so you can actually take it with you on the go. And for example, if you want to go to friends and family house or something like that, or you're going on a trip and you want to keep training and you want to keep having fun, it also comes with this bag over here. So let's do a quick installation first. Actually, first I want to show you some of the features that you can find in this one, like an LCD display. You also have the internal speaker. You also have 9 lighting modes and 9 speed modes. And also you have hook and loop strict mounting. So that's going to be for us to do really good and easy with the adhesive stripes. So since I know where I want to put it, what I did is I cut one of this one in half, so I can put two right here. For example, it's going to be right here. And these are going to be one part of the Velcro strips. But if not, what you can do, you can actually leave them like both of them like this, just like super long, and you can put them both. So that way you can actually put it in a lower position and higher position in case that, for example, you want your kids or something like that to have fun with it, you can do it as well. But in my case, I'm just going to put it in here because I know what it is. So I'm just going to put this ones on the wall. So now that we have this one on the wall, we're going to put the other two in a horizontal way, just making sure that this one's going to have like contact with the ones in the wall. And we put this one right here. We press a little bit, make sure that it's making contact with the Velcro pad, and we are all set. Next thing will be just connect the USB-C cable that comes with the device right here on the bottom part to a power outlet on the wall. So once that you have it set it up and it's already on, you can change the modes right here, and you can change the speed right here. So changing the speed is going to give you different speeds to punching these sections over here. So if it is kind of like managing the kind of like different lights with the music and just making sure that your rhythm is right, you can manage that with the speed. And also then you can change the modes here. So that's going to be the different musics and the different training modes, like shadowing, for example. You can do it everything with just this panel over here. But since this one has the internal speaker and now it's connected to my phone with the voice that I did before, I'm going to actually show it to you super fast, super cool. So once you have the gloves that comes with the package, the only thing you will have to do once that is paired with your phone, it's just pair with the music you have, the music you want, just use the music on the device, or like in my case, just hit play and we can start.
Punch, 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 left, left, right, left, right.
Oh my God, how much? Punch, right, right, oh my God, left, punch, punch, punch. Oh my God, that was not expected, I had to say. That was pretty not easy just to say that. But once you're kind of like get used to it, you can either start like doing it like faster or things like that, but it's gonna be just depending on your speed.
Punch, 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 left, left, right, left, right.
Oh my God, punch, punch, left, oh.
Right, left, left, punch, punch, right, right,
Oh my God.
left, punch, 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 punch.
That is fun to do, and with music is even better, even faster, even kind of like working on your self rhythm and the music rhythm. If you're like working with music that you like, it's gonna be kind of like pow 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 pow. And you can see that this one, depending on how fast and how kind of like accurate I punch it, there is a light rate that is gonna start like kind of like I want to say that it's gonna keep switching. So that's gonna be the good thing about this one. It depends on if I'm like hitting it where the blue light is. So like right here, if it is faster, I can do it like here or here or here. So that is depending on the speed, the music, and the mode that you're using. But this gotta be so fun to do with the music and of course with having your own training. And you can see that this one is withstanding my punches on the wall and it's not even moving. So, oh, that's gonna be so much fun and such a good cardio workout. So I gotta say, this thing is fantastic. It's gonna add a really nice cardio workout to your daily routine, to your home gym, to having fun with your kids, with your family. You can actually challenge someone if you like to. But the most important thing is that you're gonna have fun. While training, you're also gonna have fun and you're also gonna be kind of like having a really nice and powerful cardio workout. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.